Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel again. This is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Lord 9. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibaga nating uploads regarding kay Lord 9. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin itong si Lord 9. So ano nga bang meron dito kay Lord 9 and also, bakit nga ba to nagte-trending right now? As you all know guys, si Lord 9 is na-develop ni NX3 Games and isa sa mga publishers ni NX3 Games right now is si Smilegate. Now, sino ba si Smilegate? Si Smilegate lang naman guys yung nag-develop ng sikat na MMORPG game which is itong si Lost Ark. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan si Smilegate guys and Smilegate RPG. So si Lost Ark is isa sa mga pinakamaganda at stable na MMORPG game na nag-exist up until now sa Steam and also meron din silang sariling client nila. But anyway guys, since publisher yung Smilegate dito, they gave guidance dito kay NX3 kung paano patatakbuhin yung Lord 9. And so far, it has been a success dahil nag-release na po sila sa Korea and nag-top 1 lang naman sila sa Google Play and also sa App Store sa Korean market. So it only means na maganda yung gameplay na ino-offer ni Lord 9 kasi talagang tinangkilik siya ng mga Korean people. Now, since magre-release sila globally, so far gusto nilang mag-pre-register sa kanilang website. So if you wanna pre-register guys, you can click the link down below para hindi na kayo maligaw and para hindi na rin kayo ma-scam. Kasi may mga tao na naglalagay ng link na mali and I don't want you guys na mapunta sa phishing site or whatsoever. So click nyo na lang yung link sa baba para makapag pre-register kayo. Now, first question that you might have is, pwede ba itong laruin sa mobile? Of course, pwede siya. It's a cross-platform game that you can play either mobile, tablet, or PC, laptop. Lahat ng gusto nyong device na gamitin. Wag lang yung mga 3310 talagang hindi nagagana yung Lord 9 doon. No? Yung mga Android and also yung mga Apple products that will be able to play MMOs. Of course, malalaro nyo tong si Lord 9. Now, the good thing about it is dahil may pre-registration sila, of course, meron kayong initial boost na makukuha in the game. Okay? So if you actually scroll down here and you click the pre-registration link, makikita nyo dito yung pre-registration rewards. So meron kayong makukuha dyang special avatar skin, may makukuha din kayong special mount skin, tapos may makukuha kayong mga resources for enhancement, 1,000 temporal pieces, and 1 million gold. So yung temporal pieces, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. But anyway, maybe it's a use for an upgrade or whatsoever. So tignan na lang natin once we got into the game. Kasi I haven't played the Korean version of it as well. So I'll try to somehow download the Korea version and play it para at least maintindihan ko ng konti kung para saan ba yung mga resources na to and also paano nga ba makapagpalakas. So I will try to create more guides about Lord 9 moving forward kasi that's what we're going to do. We will create more guides to help people play the game correctly. Okay? Anyway, aside from that is kapag nag-subscribe kayo sa kanilang YouTube and also nag-follow kayo sa kanilang Facebook, you will actually get avatar summons and also one fated avatar summon. So this only means na meron ditong gacha. So parang Night Crows ang dating and also yung mga recent na MMORPG na na-review natin. Lahat yun guys may mga summons. So magdidepende yung magiging strength nyo early, of course sa swerte nyo sa summons. So I'm not really sure kung paano yung PT rewards nila dito. Kung ilang summons bago ka makakuha ng maganda like epic or probably mythic na avatar or whatsoever. Pero we will definitely check that in the game kasi of course may mga whales din na papasok dito so malalaman natin yung PT summons nila dito. Hopefully merong PT summons kasi kung wala ang hirap naman makakuha ng magandang item. Kumbaga you are gonna be spending money as well just to get a higher tier items and or higher tier of avatars and somehow ayaw naman natin ng ganun kasi parang unfair naman yun sa mga free-to-play players na katulad din natin na of course wala naman tayong gagastusin dito and we just have to play this for fun. Okay? Ganun lang naman. Now, you can also download the Stove client. Ito yung ginamit natin guys sa Rasalas. Kung natatandaan nyo guys, yung Rasalas is also a game that we posted on our Facebook group. Pero para kasi siyang para siyang Rohan. Yung gameplay niya is Rohan M. So it's a bit different, no? Pero this one is somehow it's pretty solid. Kung makikita nyo naman sa gameplay na nagpe-play sa background guys, no? Kung makikita nyo, trailer pa lang talagang sobrang solid na. Hindi siya yung parang trailer na alam mong pangit yung game. Okay? Ito yung mga klase ng trailer na talagang in-effortan, and it is because yung mga people behind this is somehow established na pagdating sa MMORPG games, which is itong si Smilegate nga. So syempre ayaw naman din mapahiya ni Smilegate sa kanilang mga clients. That's the reason why they actually tried to showcase kung ano nga ba yung potential ng game na to. Okay? The thing is that dito sa game na to guys, no, hindi nyo kailangan na ma-lock sa isang class. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, there are 9 different lords, okay? Which means that you have 9 choices of classes. So you can either choose to be a spearman, a bow, or probably an archer. Walang katapos ang archer guys, kasi archer ang pambansang hero or pabansang character ng mga Pilipino eh. Archer, meron din diyang mga lancer, okay? So iba't ibang types of classes that you can experience and you can enjoy playing. Now, lagi kong sinasabi to kapag naglalaro kayo ng MMORPG game guys, magdidepende yan sa playstyle nyo. So kung kunwari ang playstyle nyo is a range support, so you have to pick a range support type of character. Kung DPS kayo, DPS yung iselect nyo. Now kung farmer kayo, archer yan, automatic, 'di ba? But anyway, that's kind of like how it works. Magdidepende yung enjoyment nyo sa game, depende rin sa playstyle ng character na pinili nyo. Kung ang pipiliin nyo is yung character na hindi kayo sanay or hindi kayo mahilig sa movement, then you should go with long range characters para at least hindi kayo masyadong galaw ng galaw. But if melee yung character na pipiliin nyo, meron kayong certain pattern or movements na pwede nyo gawin na of course natutunan nyo din of course yan sa mga previous MMORPG game na nalaro nyo. Now, this is not locked into one classes, okay? Ang sinasabi nila dito is infinite class daw. So, pwede nyong ma-explore yung iba't ibang type of characters here. Pero I think yung pag-explore ng different type of characters will depend on your summon tickets. Okay, kasi may avatar summon dito, which means that you can switch classes from time to time. But technically, hindi siya yung parang nasa isang skill tree lang. So, you have to switch your avatars in order for you to play the other type of character. I think that's how it works, no? Kasi, normally, sa mga bagong MMORPG game ngayon, if you want to play the other type of classes, you have to switch avatars. Okay, so baka ganun din yung sinasabi nilang gameplay dito kay Lord9. Now, as you can see here, magkakaroon din po ng trading system dito. So, ang possible both in-game and through an external platform, pwedeng mag-transact using Line. Okay, so they really created a way on how people can transact in the game para iwas scammer din daw. Okay? Now, this is a flexible and also a player-driven economy. Yan yung sinasabi ng karamihan sa mga Korean players here. Meron ditong external trading and also one-on-one item trades, no? Meron din within the game, which means that you can freely trade. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-list. So, it's pretty much easy for us to sell items in the game kung gusto nating magbenta ng items in the game. Normal naman yan sa mga MMORPG games kasi we've been doing contents about RMT, which is real money trading sa paglalaro ng mga games. Of course, yung mga Ragnarok, Run Online, ano pa ba, yung mga games na nag-RMT tayo before. So, sanay na tayo dito guys. We've been here for a very long time naman. So yun, isa yun sa mga inaabangan din natin. Of course, mga items dito can be sellable. Meron din dito siguro mga bounded items and then yung mga craftable items yung pwede nyong i-sell to other players. Kasi may mga players na hindi din naman tutok sa paglalaro. They just wanted to buy items or buy an account na leveled up na. So you can probably do ways of RMT naman dito sa game na to and hindi nila yon pinagbabawal. Yan yung isa sa mga pinaka nagustuhan ko at narinig ko dito sa mga ano natin, no, sa mga kapwa players natin dito sa Lord 9. So, I'm pretty much excited and hopefully guys, ma-enjoy nyo tong game na to. Uh, Isa yan sa mga possible ways na pwede natin gawin, no? Kasi I'm pretty sure meron ditong auto and kung may auto dito, automatic yan. Mag-AFK lang tayo ng character and mali-level up na natin yung character na to. And of course, yung storyline, isa din to sa inaabangan ko guys kasi trusted ko, pagdating sa storyline guys, trusted ko yung publisher nila which is Smilegate. Yung developer ng Lost Ark, napakaganda gumawa ng storyline nito guys. Kung panoorin nyo yung buong storyline ng Lost Ark guys, may intrigue kayo sa ending. Kasi up to now, hindi pa uploaded yung ending. Ang tagal-tagal na noon, pero isa yun sa mga pinakamagandang lore story na napanood ko. So it's a must watch if you wanna have a reference ng sinasabi kong epic storytelling. No, talagang solid na solid na solid tong gumawa, no? But anyway guys, mag-pre-register na kayo dito sa link sa baba. If you do have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. Kung meron man kayong mga suggestions, meron kayong mga recommendations about the game, then you can actually comment down below para at least makapagawa tayo ng review and also matulungan din natin yung mga newbies katulad ko dito sa Lord 9. So yun lang naman guys, maraming salamat sa panonood and alam nyo na, peace out!